Hey, I'm Blake Hawkins with Hawkins Landscape and Outdoors, and today we're going to be going over the landscape design process. So once you give us a call, we'll set up an appointment and a time to come out. Once we come on your property, we'll discuss the details and exactly what you want. From there, we go back to our office and actually work on the design to get you the blueprint for your house. This process takes us about 2 to 3 weeks to complete. From there, we're going to reach out and send that proposal to you. In that proposal, you'll see each itemized line and material that is needed to complete your project. So after your approval, we get the final plans and we go over to build the cost analysis for your proposal. Once we get the design and budget approved, we will schedule your project. It's very important to us that you know we are going to communicate with you every single step of the way. Our goal is for you to be extremely happy and overjoyed with the completed project. You need to know exactly how to maintain everything, and we're gonna make sure that you do. Today we're on site with the design and starting the initial process. So one of the very first things that we do is we call out for a dig test. And that dig test is gonna tell us where the gas line is and your fiber is for your internet and electrical lines. In addition to that, we make sure that we don't hit any sprinkler heads. So we turn on the sprinkler system and we start to flag every single head that we find, because we're going to come in with a sod cutter and remove the grass to make this new bed. As you can see, everything is pretty plain here. The plants are old. We had a lot of them die. We come in and we remove out all the old plants so we can freshen up the beds and make it look new. After the removal of the plants, we reshape the flower beds. We spray paint it out, and then we have the guys come in so we can get the new bed accurately matched to the design. Another thing that's going to happen is we're going to remove any of the old stonework to make way for the new border for your design. So with the design, this ensures that all the plants are going to thrive on your property. The grass is going to grow, your plants are going to look beautiful. That is why it's important to have a design. So we still have quite a few steps to complete for this project. It's going to take us about 2 more weeks, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, we're back again. Blake Hawkins with Hawkins Landscape and Outdoors, and today we're back on site. As you can see, a lot of things have changed since last time we were here, and today we're going to be going over the progress. So last time y'all were out here, you saw us prepping the border, removing plants, and removing the grass. Today, we have all that completed and the new stuff installed. So you'll see that we have the new rock work. We have the stone border behind the trees that holds the dirt and the tree in place. We have the new V-trench to separate the grass from the bed. We have the rock in and the steel edging on either side, and all the new plants that look absolutely beautiful. Coming out of winter, some of these plants didn't really have any leaves on them, but they had a ton of buds, and now they're starting to flourish out now that spring is in full effect. After everything's in place, we do one final inspection. We check the sprinklers, we check the plant depths to make sure they're not too high or too low, because we don't want any rot around the base of the plant. So after we do all the inspection, we give it the thumbs up, we're done with the property. Next, I talk with the client to make sure they know about maintenance and watering, and then the office reaches out with those instructions that I told the client. Absolutely beautiful masterpiece. We make sure that the client is thrilled with their new plants. They understand everything that has happened, and they know what to do from there when it comes to maintaining their property. So if you're thinking about getting a new update for your house, anything outside, from outdoor kitchen, arbor, landscape, stonework, new grass, new plants, give us a call at Hawkins Landscape and Outdoors.